My name is Eric Williams, and I've been going to Dr. Gorman's treatment for the last 18 months. The treatment is about, mainly about fixing the TMJ in my mouth. What I was having was problems where my jaw was clicking constantly when I was trying to talk. I was having problems sleeping at night, where I would wake up in the middle of the night for seemingly no reason. Which helped expand my jaw and helped me breathe better as well. Since going to it, it's definitely helped my sleep. It's definitely helped me sleep better. I'm not having as much problems talking anymore. Before I would have a stutter or I would have to mumble because my jaw would click and cause me pain. Now I almost don't even notice it. I would recommend this to anybody with sleep apnea or who has any troubles with their jaw whatsoever. It's really life-changing, and it's definitely worth it. I would definitely recommend them to go see Dr. Gorman.